very frequent bowler. I practice a lot, and I've been bowling leagues for about 55 years. Pin action was about the same. I didn't really notice anything different.
I'm definitely a casual bowler. I did not notice that I was bowling on a string machine versus a traditional pin spotter. We had the best time bowling tonight.
I didn't really notice I was bowling on a string machine today. Like it really wasn't visible until if I really paid attention, but if I was just having fun, I didn't notice it.
Yes, I'm a frequent league bowler. I bowl every week and sometimes twice or 3 times a week. My bowling experience today was really good. I found the ball reaction stay the same, the pin reaction stay the same, and I felt that everything was it was good. I would definitely come back and bowl in the string machines. Everything it just felt good, felt normal.
I'm a frequent league bowler. I bowl for FGC, a local college around here, and we compete in tournaments. I bowl often, typically about 4 to 5 times a week. I think it's a lot of fun bowling on the string machines. We'd definitely come back and bowl on them again.